Hey everyone, today we're looking at the Gigabyte P650B, which is a 650 watt 80 plus bronze power supply unit. This video is sponsored by ALM Wholesale, laptop supplier to repair and retail stores worldwide. As we all know, Gigabyte is well known for well-made products, so it'll be interesting to have a look at this power supply. As you can see, it clearly states it's an 80 plus. It's got the model number there. It doesn't specifically say the wattage, but it's sort of built into the model number, so we can forgive for that. You've got all the other information on there that you should need, like the silent fan and the 12 volt rail. Obviously the package is in black and bronze, and that's because it is the bronze 80 plus model. You've got all your information about cable lengths on the back. It's a nice heavy power supply, and as they usually say, the heavier a power supply is, the better it is. So let's take off the shrink wrap and see what we've got inside. Okay, let's open this box up and see what we've got. As you can see, it looks nice and padded in there. You've got your instruction booklet, which is mainly all your basics and so forth. How to fit it into a machine, which hopefully everyone on here knows how to do that. You've got your standard kettle lead. Some screws. Nice to see they are actually black, so they match the actual power supply in most cases these days. So if we can get it out of the box, here we go. So there's the power supply for you. As you can see, it's got a black 12 centimeter or 120 millimeter fan with their logo on it. Nothing special to looks. Obviously, power cable, power switch. You've got all your information about your voltages. All the information is stickers. The logos are all stickers, so there's no special styling on there other than stickers stuck on the actual box itself, which is a little bit disappointing because some of them usually mold the logos and stuff like that into the actual casing. It just doesn't have that premium feel to the power supply. Yeah, it's got a bit of weight in it. It says Gigabyte with the model number, but it just doesn't feel like anything special. It feels like something, to be honest with you, what's a lot cheaper than it actually is. If you look at the cables, yes, they are braided. It's not modular, not even semi-modular. The cables are braided, but if you look at the ends of the cables themselves, you can actually see where all the wires come out at the end before it plugs into your motherboard. So you've got your red, yellow, black and orange cables, which are on full show in your machine. So if you've got a glass side window or any side window, you will see those cables sticking out from your 24 pin connectors or your graphics card and so forth. So it's one of those things, yeah, it's a little tidy, but why go all to that extent and then just miss a little bit at the end? Just seems a little bit strange to me, but again, it's a good power supply. It performs, it's got all the connections you need, passes all our tests, but it just could do with a few little finishing touches just to make it have that more of a premium feel. If you enjoyed today's review, please feel free to click subscribe or check us out at www.techfortechs.co.uk. The link's in the description. Thanks again and bye.